Even more new tools on the RIDGID 18-volt platform. RIDGID has released several new tools lately, but they're not done yet. In fact, they just named 23 more tools to be released in 2023. Now, most of these are coming up in the next few weeks or months, and a couple of these we've already seen and reviewed, but for the most part, these are all new tools. Let's dive in and take a look. First up is the 18-volt track saw. It's the R48630. Cuts 370 feet per charge using a 6.0 max output battery, corded cutting performance, and professional accuracy with the included 55-inch track. Then we have an 18-volt brushless jigsaw. It's the R86344. Cuts 200 feet per charge using an 18-volt 6.0 amp-hour max output battery and 20% lower vibration, 3,200 strokes per minute, and 1-inch stroke length. Then we have an 18-volt brushless compact router. It's the R860444. More power than corded, up to 40% vibration reduction, 250 feet of runtime per charge using an 18-volt 2.0 amp-hour max output battery. We have the 18-volt brushless 18-gauge narrow crown stapler. That's the R09850. Consistently and quickly drives staples into hardwoods. Clean drive technology with less jams and increased productivity and zero ramp-up time. The 18-volt subcompact brushless barrel grip jigsaw, the R86346. Superior ergonomics, 15% lighter weight and 20% more compact, faster blade speed than corded. The 18-volt subcompact brushless right angle impact driver. It's the R87730, best-in-class power, delivers 950 inch-pounds of torque. Industry's most compact and ergonomic 2-finger trigger. Then we have an 18-volt subcompact brushless 3/8 right angle impact wrench, the R8720, best-in-class power with 250 foot-pounds of torque, most compact in class, and 3 speeds plus auto tightening mode. Then we have the 18-volt subcompact brushless 1/2-inch right angle impact wrench, the R8721, also best in class with 250 foot-pounds of torque, most compact, and 3 speeds and auto tightening mode as well. Then we have an 18-volt 23-gauge headless pin nailer, most compact in class, power to drive headless pin nails flush into hardwood with zero ramp-up time. And an 18-volt professional high-temp glue gun. It's the R860433, 400 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature, a 90-second heat-up time, and stroke adjustment knob for precise glue dispensing. And then in the battery realm, we have an 18-volt 12 amp-hour max output EXP lithium-ion battery. It's the R840120, 3 times more power, runs cooler and lasts longer, and advanced intelligent electronics for optimized performance. Then we have an 18-volt 6-amp rapid charger, the R86098, 3 times faster charging, charges an 18-volt 6-amp-hour max output battery in 1 hour, and integrated pass-through plug optimizes outlet space. Then for the outdoor power equipment, available now at the Home Depot and selective Home Depot stores, we have the 18-volt brushless 14-inch string trimmer, which is the R01201, and then we have the 18-volt brushless blower, and that's the R01601. Then we have the 18-volt brushless 22-inch hedge trimmer, model number R01401. The 18-volt brushless pruner, which is the R01301. And then available this spring on HomeDepot.com will be the 18-volt brushless 12-inch chainsaw, which we've already reviewed, and it's the R01101. The 18-volt brushless auger, which is the R01701, and the 18-volt 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer, model number R01501. And then finally, we have existing tools already available at HomeDepot.com, which is the 18-volt brushless extended reach ratchets, the 18-volt subcompact brushless 4-mode impact wrenches. Model number on those is the R866020, R866021, the R87207, and the R87208. Now, as we get more information, we will release pricing and release date on these as we know them, and we'll have links in the descriptions to each of these. Now, several of these we've either already reviewed or already showed them on our social media, such as the blower here, the chainsaw, the subcompact impact wrenches, the extended reach ratchets, and several of these are really nice units, so you can check out those reviews. We'll have links to those as well. But otherwise, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. And if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already? And by all means, if you hated our video, then give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.